Hey guys, it's Man, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do my second DIY on this channel, and in this time it's gonna be a DIY of painting a glass, cause I saw this trend so many times on TikTok and I really wanted to try this one for a long time. But in most of the videos in TikTok, they don't actually show how they do all the work from the start and how you can make it too. So I decided that I'm going to show you how to do it from the beginning, so each of you can be able to make it. And let's get started! So I started with the sketch of the anime girl that I wanted to draw, and it's Ako from Little Witch Academia. If you don't know that series, you should watch it on Netflix. And I kind of tried to draw her, but she didn't look like herself, so I tried to fix it. Anyway, after I'm done with working on the sketch, I took my plastic glass and started to do the line art over it and with an alcohol base marker. And if you don't have alcohol-based markers for this part, that's okay. You can use Pusca colors or any other that work good on plastic or glass. And this is how the liner turned out. And here she also finally started to look more like Ako and like an anime girl. And when I finished with it, I started to paint it with gouache and acrylic paints, but again you can use Pusca colors or any other that will go for it. I started with the coloring in layers. First the last layer, like the shadows, and then the second and the third, until I get to the first layer, the one that you always do in the start when you're coloring. It's important to keep the layers because it can destroy all your painting if something will be in the wrong layer, so yeah. When you do the last layer, it will look terrible, but don't worry, it needs to be like that, cause just when you will flip the plastic over, you will see the real final result, and it will be pretty. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like and click the bell for more. And until next time, it's all for today. Hope you like how this turned out, and bye!